If you have ever opened 1688 app and you got confused because everything is in Chinese and you're like, what's going on here? I promise you by the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate the 1688 app and even know how to translate 1688 Chinese into English. Then you can be able to read reviews, read the description, read everything about the product for you to know if you want to settle with the product. This is the first step of you buying your things from China. This is the first step of you getting your products from China. So let's go straight to the video. Hi guys, it's Oluwatoyin. Welcome back to this channel, and if you are seeing me for the first time, welcome to the channel. On this channel we talk about importation from China, from Bangladesh, from Turkey, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to download your 1688 app and how to translate the 1688 Chinese to English. That's how to translate the app basically in Chinese to English language. This sounds like something that excites you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and yes, you can drop a comment. One of the biggest problems for new importers right now is the language. To translate that Chinese to English, that's one of the biggest problems that most importers faces. 1688 is a gold mine. 1688 is a very good platform for buying your things, but is in Chinese. And in a separate video I'll be teaching you how you can access this 1688 because there's a new update in the login process. There's a new update in the sign up and the login process. So I'm going to make in a separate video. That's why I said you want to subscribe if you know this is the kind of content you want to see. The main deal of today, how to download the 1688 app. As at 2022, 2023, 2024, we could not access the 1688 app on Play Store. For some reason it was removed from Play Store. When someone sends you the link, that is how you can download the 1688 app. You just install it on your phone. But guess what? 1688 app is now back on Play Store. It's now back on Play Store. You can visit your Play Store and download the 1688 app and download it straight to your phone. Visit Play Store or Apple Store and download the 1688 app, and it will show on your phone. It will install into your phone, or someone can send you the link. Probably an importer sends you the link and you install it into your phone. It's as easy as that. Now let's move to how you can translate this app. Once you gain access, once you are in the app, how to translate from Chinese to English. Now the first way to translate 1688 to English is for you to use the Chrome version. Yes, there is the app version, there is the Chrome version. You go over to Chrome and just type 1688.com and it will bring it out for you in the website version. That is one way for you to translate this app. And that way you can translate 1688 app is for you to download Google Translate. There's something called Google Translate or iTranslate. Google Translate translates things from one language to another. You can translate a word from English to Chinese, from Chinese to English, from English to Portuguese, from Spanish to Portuguese. You understand? It's for you to be able to translate words. For you to be able to access Google Translate, just go on your Play Store or Apple Store and download Google Translate. Once you download the app, you on it and you either use the camera to scan the app, or you take screenshots. You take the screenshots and go over to your Google Translate and translate it from Chinese to English. Not only Google Translate can do this, we also have iTranslate, and we have other ones, but I know of Google Translate and I know of iTranslate. I personally use iTranslate and Google Translate. You either use the camera to scan the app and it translates it on the app to English, or you take screenshots and go over to your Google Translate, tap on the photo side, tap on the photo and it translates it to English. So you take a screenshot, you go over to your photo area, it changes it to English. You take screenshot again, you go over to your photo area, you upload the photo and it translates it from Chinese to English. You see how easy and straightforward that tutorial is? Very, very easy, very, very straightforward for you to translate from Chinese to English or from any language to any language. In that video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can access and you can log in into 1688. Now, you cannot log in just like that. You log in with the use of Alipay. I'm going to be teaching you how to log in your 1688 with Alipay so you can be able to access this app. I'll be doing a full tutorial, a full video tutorial about that. But for now, this is how you can translate. This is how you can download and translate. Give me a thumbs up if you actually like this video. If this video taught you something, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And of course, drop me a comment in the comment section. And we'll see again in the next video. Bye.